In today's video, I will walk you through how to import sales invoices into Xero. When you're in Xero, look at the top navigation bar and click on the Sales tab. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that menu, select Invoices. This will take you to the page where your current sales invoices are listed. Once you're on the Invoices page, look toward the top of the list and find the Import button. Click on it to begin the import process. Xero will then display the tools you'll need before uploading your invoices. The first thing you should do is download Xero's invoice template. This template is formatted specifically for importing sales invoices, so using it is important. Download the template and open it so you can begin adding your invoice information. Next, open the records that contain the sales invoices you want to import. Copy the invoice details into the downloaded template, making sure each piece of information is entered into the correct column. Take your time while completing this step and check that every field matches the appropriate column in the template. Reviewing your entries before moving on will help make sure the information is imported correctly. After you've finished entering all of your invoice details, save the completed template. Keep the file in the same format as the original template so it's ready for importing. Now return to the import page in Xero. Click the import button again, and this time choose the completed template file that you just saved. Select the file from your computer and upload it. Once the file has been uploaded, click Import again to complete the process. Xero will begin importing the information from your template into your sales invoices. After the import finishes, your sales invoices will be available in Xero, allowing you to continue managing your records from the Invoices section. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you successfully import your sales invoices into Xero.